Hello students, today's topic is loop optimization technique. In previous lecture we have studied code optimization technique. Loop optimization technique and code optimization technique both are interrelated, but in your syllabus, these are two different topic and question are asked in exam. So first we will discuss here what is the loop optimization technique. As you can see here, it is a most valuable machine independent optimization because programmers in a loop take bulk to time of प्रोग्रामर. यहाँ इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि जो भी हमारा सपोज देयर इज अ फॉर लूप, देयर इज अ लूप. अब अगर इसके अंदर कोई भी लूप लिखा हुआ है तो क्या होगा कि आपका जो भी एग्जीक्यूट होने में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लेगा. तो हमें क्या करना है, अगर हमारे पास कुछ ऐसी टेक्निक लगाएं जिसके थ्रू हम इस कोड विच आर रिटन इनसाइड वी कैन रिड्यूस. तो दिस आर द कोड ऑप्टिमाइजेशन टेक्निक. If we decrease the number of instruction in a inner loop, then running time of program may be improved even if we increase the amount of code outside the loop. कहने का मतलब ये, अगर हमने लूप के अंदर अगर हमने जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शन लिखे उनको कम कर सके तो क्या होगा कि हमारा प्रोग्राम का क्या होगा, रनिंग टाइम इम्प्रूव हो सकेगा और हम उन कोड को बाहर लिख दें. इन दिस वे आवर लूप ऑप्टिमाइजेशन टेक्निक्स विल वर्क. There are several loop optimization techniques are present in compiler design. Here we will study first code motion technique, induction variable technique, string deduction technique, loop invariant method, loop unrolling method, loop fusion and loop jamming method. There are some questions which are asked from here. Write a short notes on loop fusion and loop jamming, instant deduction, code motion. So this type of question are asked in a question paper. First we will discuss here code motion. What is the code motion? As code motion, it is used to decrease the amount of code in a loop. This transformation takes a statement of expression which can be moved outside the loop or body without affecting the semantic of rules. मीन्स कोड हम ऑप्टिमाइजेशन में क्या करते हैं, हम नंबर ऑफ लाइंस या कोड को मूव करते हैं आउटसाइड द लूप, और हम ऐसे मूव करते हैं कि उस प्रोग्राम की मीनिंग को चेंज ना हो सके. As an example we can see here there is a while loop I is less than equal to limit minus 2 before optimization. If we after optimization, if we replace limit minus 2 with equal to a, then while I less than equal to a, this does not change the meaning, but it will reduce the number of lines in a program. So this is the code motion. Here we move the code limit minus 2 outside the loop. So this is the code motion technique. Next technique is a induction variable technique. Induction variable elimination. It is used to replace the variable from inner loop. इसमें क्या होता है, इनर लूप से वेरिएबल को रिप्लेस करते हैं. सेकेंड पॉइंट है, इट कैन रिड्यूस द नंबर ऑफ एडिशन इन अ लूप. ये नंबर ऑफ एडिशंस को भी रिमूव कर सकता है. इट इम्प्रूव बोथ कोड एंड रन टाइम परफॉर्मेंस. या ये जो है कोड स्पेस एंड रन टाइम मीन्स टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी एंड स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी दोनों को मैनेज करता है. Suppose there is an example here written b1, b2, b3, b4, b5, b1, b2, b1, b1, b2, b3, b4, b5. Before here you can see here b1, here inner loop of b1 is b2 and inner loop of b2 is b3 and b4 and b5. Same as after inner loop of b1 is b2, b2 is b3 and b4 and b5. So here you can see there is a statement t4. T4 is equal to 4 into ji. So here we can reduce this statement 4 into 4 minus j means either addition or subtraction. So here we can reduce this t4 into the this t4. So this is the reduce operation, means here t4 minus 4, here t4 and here before t4 and here after t4. This is the t4, means this is the induction variable. So we can reduce this induction variable here. Next technique is step reduction in code. So first point, step reduction in code. Step reduction, as you can see, what do you mean by step reduction? There are three points which I have written here. First point, instant reduction is used to replace the expensive operation by the cheaper one द टारगेट मशीन। मीन्स हम एक्सपेंसिव ऑपरेशन को चीपर वन के साथ क्या करते हैं, रिप्लेस करते हैं। सेकेंड पॉइंट इज एडिशन ऑफ कांस्टेंट इज चीपर दैन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, सो वी कैन रिप्लेस मल्टीप्लिकेशन विद एन एडिशन ऑपरेशन है। यहाँ पर ही सेकेंड लाइन में बताया गया हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन को एडिशन के थ्रू रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं। थर्ड पॉइंट, मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज चीपर दैन एक्सपोनेंट, सो वी कैन रिप्लेस एक्सपोनेंट विद मल्टीप्लिकेशन द लूप। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है जो एक्सपोनेंट है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन जो है एक्सपोनेंट से चीपर होता है, तो हम किसी भी इक्वेशन में क्या कर सकते हैं, एक्सपोनेंट को मल्टीप्लिकेशन से रिप्लेस करते हैं। हियर वी हैव रिटन एक्सपोनेंट इज ग्रेटर देन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज ग्रेटर देन एडिशन। So there is an example which you can see here, before and after. Before there is a while I is less than 10, j is equal to 3 into I plus 1, 3aj is equal to j minus 1, I is equal to I plus 2. So here we have here we can reduce, here we reduce this, here we optimize code by moving the s is equal to, by moving the 3 into j minus 1 is outside the loop, and after that replacing j is equal to 5 and this one. So in the above code it is cheaper to compute s is equal to s plus 6 and j is equal to 3 plus 3. So this is the instant reduction technique. So next technique is a loop invariant method. Loop invariant method, the computation inside the loop is avoided, therefore by computation overhead on computer is avoided. इसमें कहा गया कि हम जो भी लूप के अंदर अगर हम कोई कंप्यूटेशन को जनरली क्या करते हैं, अवॉइड करते हैं। तो हमारा मेन टारगेट ये होता है कि हम लूप के अंदर कंप्यूटेशन ना करके हम आउटसाइड कंप्यूटेशन करें। तो हियर यू कैन सी दैट t इक्वल टू a by 6, here we replaces after optimization, here we replaces a by b is equal to t. So there is a for loop I is equal to 0 to 10, begin I is equal to 0 to 10, do begin k is equal to I plus t. So a by b is replaced by d. So this is the loop invariant method. So this technique also optimize the loop optimization. Loop unrolling. The number of jump and tests can be reduced by writing the code 2 times. Here we can reduce the number of jump statements and code statement by writing 2 times. Here you can see that int is equal to int I is equal to 1 while I is less than equal to 100, ai is equal to bi I plus plus. So here we are written this int I is equal to 1 while I less than is equal to 100, ai is equal to bi I plus plus, bi is equal to g plus plus. Means here you have written this ai is equal to bi and I plus plus 1 twice. So this is the before optimization and this is the optimization. Here we reduce the number of jump. Here we reduce the number of jump statement. Next topic is a loop fusion and loop jamming. This is the most important typing. There are 2 mark question in a question paper. Write a short note about loop fusion or loop jamming. So loop fusion and loop jamming, there are several loops are merged to a one loop. Loop jamming means हमारे पास number of loops दिए होते हैं, we can merge in a single loop. So this technique is known as loop jamming. Here there example, for I is equal to 1 to n do, for I is equal to 1 to m do, then ai is equal to aij is equal to 10. So first for loop and second for loop we can merge both for loop and we can convert into the single for loop. So in this way we merge the loop optimization, in this way we merge the for loop. So this is the before optimization and this is the after optimization. So student, this is the loop optimization techniques which are most frequently asked in the question paper. Basically in question there are short answer type question like write short notes on loop fusion, loop jamming, what is the loop unrolling and loop invariant method. So these are all about loop optimization technique. Thank you so much.